Imagine if you could reach out to millions of people with just a tiny work. This is YouTube Shorts. It is known to skyrocket your channel to the moon, and that's why I made 250 shorts in the past 90 days. I will show you the exact results of what this can do to your channel. So about 3 months ago I decided to dive into the world of YouTube Shorts. For those of you who might not know, YouTube Shorts are short, vertical videos that are under 60 seconds in length. And no, this isn't one of those videos where we change the effect just to get views. So when I first decided to do shorts, I only got like 40 to 500 views on the first 10 shorts. I started uploading one short a day, but then I realized this isn't going to blow up. So I started uploading more often, which got me 1.6 million recommendations and almost 3000 subs. It is important to mention that these are all Minecraft PvP related shorts. You might wonder how many videos did I upload? Well, I will tell you in a bit, but first let's take a look at my most famous shorts in these 3 months. The average view duration of this 49 seconds video was 39 seconds, which is quite good. And how did we achieve all this? Our main strategy was uploading 3 shorts a day, scheduling them with 7 hours away from each other. 3 shorts took about roughly 20 to 30 minutes for us to make. But now, let's dive into the analytics. In our first month, we reached out to 400,000 people and got like 175,000 views from them. We also managed to get about 600 new subscribers and more than 4,000 likes. But this was just the beginning, and that's because in our second month, we reached out to almost 800,000 people. And this gave us about 350,000 short views and almost 1500 new subscribers. The most views we have gotten in one day was more than 20,000. And we even managed to get somehow 150 subscribers. At the beginning, we planned to get about 30 subs per week. That will mean that we will get 900 subs in a month. But we outperformed ourselves and almost got twice the amount of subscribers we have planned. Third month. In this month we were less active than before and only uploaded 2 shorts a day. But even like this, we still managed to reach out to 400,000 people, getting us about 200,000 views and surprisingly more than 700 subscribers. And that's it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you and see you later.